Number 25. Which of the following expressions has a factor of x plus 2b where b is a positive integer constant? Okay, that means you have to find two factors from the quadratic equation where one of them is x plus 2b and we don't know anything about this factor and we have to find the option. See, it's a little bit tricky. Let's leave it here and see how these questions work, right? So let's say my equation is x squared plus 10x plus 16. This is my quadratic equation, right? So how you factorize it? You form two factors, x, and then you apply the AC method. What is that AC method? This number, the coefficient of x, this is here, and the constant term that is written here. Now 10 should be the solution if you add or subtract two numbers. We have to find two numbers so that when we add or subtract them we get 10 and when we multiply them we get 16, right? So here 8 and 2 are the numbers. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 times 2, 16. So these are the two factors, right? Now see, 8 plus 2, 10. So these are the two numbers. How these are working? When you add this and this, you end up at this. And you when multiply this and this, you end up this. This is the concept we have to do for our equation. Now our equation we have to find out like x plus 2b is one of the factors. Okay, I'll just keep this in mind while solving the question. So x plus 2b is my factor, right? And here, because all the options have 3x squared, that means instead of x, this is 3x plus. Now we have to find this number, that is important. Plus another thing you see, when you multiply this and this, you get 16. And if we see the options, every option has 14b, right? So 3x squared is common in all and 14b is common in all. We have to just figure out what this can be, okay? So that means this number we need to find. But the point is, if we multiply this and this, every option has 14b, right? So 14b is the every option. So I have 2b. So when I multiply it with 7, I get 14b. That means here it is 7. You can just pause it here, process the information, and let's move forward. Now, if I add this and this number, I get this middle coefficient. That means if I add 7 and 2b, I am going to get any of the options. It can be 7, it can be 28, it can be 42, and it can be 49. So it can be, okay, 7, let's go, 7, 28, 42, 49, 7, 28, 42, 49. But the other condition given is the question that b has to be a positive integer constant. So what are positive integers? Just the counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Okay, so let's see. If 7 plus 2b is equal to 7, then b is equal to 0 if you solve this one. I'm taking this option. Okay, let's see another one. What if 7 plus 2b is equal to 28? So subtracting 7 on both sides, right? So that is 21. 2b is equal to 21. Dividing by 2 on both sides, no, it is not an integer. So 28 is not the right option because we need integer. Now let's see the third option. 7 plus 2b is equal to 42, right? So subtracting 7 on both sides, 2b is equal to 35. b is equal to 35 by 2. Okay, again not an integer. So this is also not an option. Now let's check for the fourth one, which is 49. So that is equal to 49. Again subtracting on both sides. So this is 42 and dividing by 2 on both sides 21. Yes. So if you see 49 as the number, you have a positive integer. So that means 49 as the coefficient is going to be our perfect option. That means D is the right option. This question is a little bit tricky, right? But if you keep on writing side by side, plus keep on pausing in between and understand the concept first, it will make much more sense and then it will be easily understandable. Okay, I hope that is clear.